Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Petition Ben Amadu come on Penny Dada Rollins.
In some Biblia, EFA new voter register, some electoral commission, almost Eddie Abbey, and Yachura Yajin, and former President Ronaldson, and Yamayamu. Yakoma Chief Imam and Son, Yabetru, President Ronaldson, and Rati Yako, President Kufuho. Now, Yajin say, Yabako, President Mama, and Yati say, only Omaimu. Into yes, sign Eddie Bakoso Akoma, the National House of Chiefs, the Council of State, the Christian Council, the Amir of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Mission, and the your friends and the chairman of the Peace Council, Omunina, and we of course someone say the Bakoso Ama Asantehene Osetutu the second. Into Yema Obia ate na omakan nia eba yempese emba se yemma asundwe enwo omaimu na nioma bebra electoral commission at this critical time embwa ye politics and ye elections inti enra in particular yakoka sai we na president Kufuor obisa se na yakọ president Rawlings so ndesi me ho na efia ye ba no ho similarly ekodru president Rawlings so and also ebisa say na Marco to President Kufuor and SCF no wa yabeko President Kufuor na yakoshe ni also beka. Nti all in all no metimi aka say all the persons we have met so muchie and answer the petitions no amomwa they feel that we have raised some cogent points but if he say baby am if you know almost say untumi chichere ba yire baako. They have to listen to the other side, and I think that it is fair.
Okay, eti edian na mo pese mpanyufu yi wo mo enye.
We have raised issues about the technical concerns. I know they said about the fact that we are not opposed to the Electoral Commission procuring new equipment of high quality, and no problem. Your problem said they will discard about 17 million Ghanaians who are on the voters register and embark on an exercise which they are estimating at 10 million. Naturally, say over 8 million Ghanaians will be disenfranchised, and that is not good enough. Obia only say voters register now. Yes, I am a new voters register because of the time available. Now, when Timmy and a voters register, it will bring some chaotic eruptions in our society. We have also spoken about the issue of cost, not just to the Electoral Commission, but also to the political parties and candidates in this exercise. And we have also spoken about administrative convenience. Can say all these things can be resolved without necessarily going into the exercise in the Electoral Commission or more year. And see, we were hoping, say, all these stakeholders, and President Rawlings, whether you like it or not, will be in himself for 11 years as a military leader, 8 years as a constitutional democratic leader. He handed over peacefully to leave a binded nation. President Kufuor has achieved many international accolades for being the first democratically elected president in the Fourth Republic Constitution. Until he has been able to sustain the momentum that we have gathered over the period. And Omunim, what can trigger tension and political upheaval? Chief Imam Obian doubted the credentials in global affairs. And Yagan and Kwa and Awetimi are foster peace. Oko Asantino Osetutu. He has been awarded and noted even at international level, including the UN, for his role in ensuring peace. And if President Rawlings could be asked to go to Somalia to go and broach peace, then because of their role in international peace building.
Say, why be na mo besan akono?
Some Akase will go to the National House of Chiefs, will go to the Council of State, will go to the National Peace Council, we'll go to the Amir of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Mission. And there, we'll even petition the Ghana Journalists Association because Moso Mojimi Abwa Ama Yetimi Edi Democratic Order Edi Aba Omaimu. Na Monshe Nuema Ekosuno, na Moso Monkabi, na Yanshe, Kwaimbia Yenina Ebetimi Afa. No one is up in arms against the Electoral Commission. We are looking for a referee that will be fair to all of us. Na Sietimi Tinasini Akasa, na Yenina Yako fa a certain pointer. I'm sure we will all benefit from it. So it is not an issue, say, Yane Electoral Commission Aircom. Yepese Electoral Commission or Muntian, na Yamfa Kwaya Ebitimi Abaya.
Okay. Moko Kumase no, mo demonstration a hodwa mo beye no. Mo twesen sign kakra mo suspend ye. Eti ene ade ti na mo de statement ababeto abonte ana enra ensentrofo nshi mo ekọ so na masan akase mo beto aso na maye demonstration no aye 4th February.
Na the Eminent Advisory Committee of the Electoral Commission and the Electoral Commission ECOMO and Omankasa the Electoral Commission SCIA in private. Naturally, no. One was expecting that having met with the Electoral Commission, they would take advantage to meet with us too. But they decided that Omune Electoral Commission Akasa, Omochu Omufuse, and Electoral Commission, and Omokachile Electoral Commission, so Omunfe an extended IPAC involving civil society organizations, any Omo, any Yanso, Nayina Yakotina, Nia Share, Kwai Ebitimi Afa, na Nsema Ewo, or my Murietimi. BBSC. Electoral Commission, demonstration, and say, okay, in respect of the eminent committee or more advice and call, best sign action, demonstrations and other things. Just a day after that, the Electoral Commission at the timetable, and the state media was the one to be broadcasting it. Fair, the Electoral Commission is going ahead, despite they were supposed to meet with us. Naturally, say you have triggered your friends saying lack of utmost faith in the processes. You don't regard your own eminent committee. You don't regard those of us who are saying that the work you are doing will not inure to the benefit of our democracy. Indeed, we can be the ones to hold back when the Electoral Commission is rolling on. And if the Electoral Commission wants to roll on, we will also roll on our activities.
But say ne mobeko IPAC meeting. Munim de be free maba enti adenti na mashedel February 4th Benedict di enemy say moko occupy use office. And I'm anticipate say adeda na na beba na.
You are assuming that the Electoral Commission na nkasa nimne ebe free maba. Enu nti na moko share date no. The Electoral Commission so enim ne ebe free ene IPAC no. Why would the Electoral Commission give the people of Ghana a date of commencement? In Tienina, we all have to give date of commencement for our activities. Don't forget that there are Public Order Act that we have to comply with. And we needed to announce so that we'll be able to follow the steps to comply with the Public Order Act.
Electoral Commission is about to affirm in a way and one more working within the timelines. Inti anobaba and kutaudi and baba bekoso. In not that said ye ni baby a ebekono. So one more tenase. Say one more planning bibi ahead. Ten ye beko ha ne beko ha no. Nanka woman who paya wombe faso. No nanka affecting yana.
Onia, I've told you that this Electoral Commission has shown that their planning and projection have always been wrong, even in minor instances. And so I will rehash 3 instances for you. Electoral Commission and normal planning said they are going to do limited registration in 260 district offices of the Electoral Commission. Meaning say Okaipa. Political parties told them of the impracticality of such an exercise. Electoral Commission said that the Omuno to me into Omukwako 260 district offices. Eventually, Electoral Commission got to the ground. They created 1,700 plus registration centers. And no, ni omoye no say omo equipment no ko ha na ochina na omo de akoham. Say na muji omochi. Moko dru bebi ana nipa dudu na ntimi ajiko omudi na omo say Monsa Embra station we ochina ho na yeko. Na omo ko dru ho na omo say you follow the process. This Electoral Commission on minor issues failed in planning. The second aspect, say, Electoral Commission and projected 300,000 people onto the new register in June. And I bisa the scientific basis. Every just an IPAC, they raised it to 500,000. Yes, a week to the limited registration. No, they are anticipating 700. That's 700, no. Catch the almost say you should be expecting about 1.8 to 2 million people on the register. Electoral Commission said that. By the time they registered 1.2 million plus. Obviously, because we are inside and we understand what goes on. All these wrong projections will not have come. I think when we are in an election year, apart from deviating the political parties from our timetable, because every political party is here, and what timetable you want to pursue. Apart from the fact that we have budgetary constraints as political party, mobile we know. Training your own agents to come and supervise the processes. What you say? There is going to be cost. Apart from that, your friends registration that we have to send our people around in the 32,000 registration centers. So when you now actually say a lot of things will have to go. When you are going to do the exhibition, we have to look for resources to put our people there for the period of the exhibition. These costs that the Electoral Commission has not factored, we who are the participants are factoring it and that form So we are telling the Electoral Commission that be mindful, because you don't want to do things that are outrageous. The fact that you have the law on your side does not mean that the law permits you to do extravagant expenditure.
But Uncle Bernard, which instance here would the Mami Electoral Commission? Moka ya osi womantie yemfa projections no, for instance projection one project 700,000, but ahobo a wo ye no wo timi register over 1 million Ghanaians wo madu omu fie mpen so wo mpanyi fie so a eso mo twiro mudin ekoto aba eti ya no de sanfa bibia ama bibia ensi
and the new bebre baye. I'm surprised you are raising this angle. Say wankasa na wo omaimu who drew registration center na school for na they left school, they sought permission as the still mobile bachelor mudi or move drew Sankana town hall and so mobile bachelor mudi na mo say equipment no and you register a certain number of people, but you schedule dates until you move the people from Sankana, you tell them to come to Tako to come and register. Then the next day they will have to transport themselves to Tako. In Kamutie Yang, in the Electoral Commission when we told them that by our projection, they could register 1.7 million to 2 million. Now, Omuye registration centers in the electoral areas, probably Mino Ekase would have registered above 2 million. A lot of Ghanaians were denied their chance to be on the voters register because the Electoral Commission will not listen to advice. And then I would say BBNC, What about those who queued and eventually they didn't get the opportunity to go and register? Kaba.
Okay. Na political party financial constraints are not working so no. And no, and nay, and na political parties, man, we say Electoral Commission a bit take exercise being tia munya sika and farmer microphone kujina because this is not the first time about wafe yaji new register.
When we started the 2012 exercise, preparation started in 2011. May any current Minister for Education, minim say mo want the phone number pa, the phones mo friend. Menino ena yeah, we boycotted IPAC. We walked out of IPAC, and I'm sure say more minimum say you have the voice and other things that when we stormed out of IPAC, protesting against the Electoral Commission. And no NMI Electoral Commission, they set up the technical committee involving the Electoral Commission's IT persons, MPP IT persons, NDC IT persons. The other political parties put 2 IT persons to support the Electoral Commission. Omunina etnase. And that brought about a certain compromise and consensus. And the biometric register. And the biometric register, the genesis, they said, Dankwa Institute, normally by say every time you registration and the cost issues but you biometric, capture, you don't need it. Me, the first time I traveled out of Ghana to the United Kingdom and later to the United States was somewhere in 2000. And then, the US Embassy, now once you put up your fingerprints, all your information come up because the biometric doesn't spoil. And that is the information we have captured. Why are you discarding relevant data like this in place of something else? Adia Nipa Omo Aye in 1990s, they continue to rely on the same thumbprints. We are fortunate to have gathered those thumbprints. What is wrong with us?
Because say bia na US for no de womo e sha ase se omo ye no omo bon ho ban yie ba ye de no e bia na electoral commission de se de nchiremu aba no se enoma bia ntoto yie ebra na ye sa biometric register na no na ento asomo mamo no.
Oh, okay. Don't give the fact that what you don't know radio ejuma inti so because US ba onim eye echen. I'm sure that our electoral commission as the first country in our continent to have participated or used biometric and it was not just the electoral commission and Americano, all political parties participated in the process. We sent our IT persons, MPP sent, NDC sent, the other parties sent two representatives. The electoral commission blended it and it procured it. We have some of the best IT persons in the world so that we learn from the best experiences and Vice President Eka said, your Ghana Post GPS digital address is better than what is in the United States of America because we use the best technology to do what we have done. All we are saying is that, look, we have always had consensus on many issues, provided the Electoral Commission is willing. Even in the 2016, when there was this tango as to say a new register, the Electoral Commission applied the same wisdom. They set up the Justice Crab Committee. Hotel. We submitted our positions on it, and at the end of the day, advice was given, and that advice was accepted. And next, what kind of press statement? We said, since this matter is already a public interest matter, it is important that this IPAC could be telecasted live. Now, ahead, there could even be a public forum so that those for a new register and those against a new register and the Electoral Commission can come and present their position for the whole nation to know. At the end of the day, I'm sure that some consensus will arise. These are the things we are proposing. Say we should move forward with our processes.
Needs FM.